tuning and optimization. This topic focuses on improving the efficiency and speed of computer system by identifying issues such as CPU and memory bottlenecks. Outlines the presentation's three main sections. Number 1, identifying CPU and memory bottlenecks. Number 2, kernel parameter optimization. Number 3, caching strategies at infrastructure level. One important part is identifying CPU and memory bottlenecks where the processor or RAM becomes overloaded, causing delays or slow performance. Another is kernel parameter optimization, which involves adjusting system level setting in the operating system to improve how resources like CPU, memory, and processes are managed. Caching strategies at the infrastructure level help store frequent use data temporarily so that it can be accessed faster, reducing processing time and improving system responsiveness.